Okay, in this video, we're going to discuss entering your advanced patterns. And this is very important because I've seen some discussions recently online. There's some videos circulating around, and they're talking about whether advanced patterns even work or not. And that's a shame at this point in the game, to be discussing whether the market even moves harmonically or not, and respects the harmonic ratios, your Fibonacci ratios and extensions. It's almost laughable to even suggest that. But let's talk about what the real problem is. There's a couple of things that go into it. One of them, trade psychology, understanding that it's going to make you feel a certain kind of way once this here is in a bullish advanced bat pattern. We're all on a very small time frame. But once this pattern fills, the trader needs to understand that that doesn't mean no one can determine whether the trade is going to be successful or a failure. And then when you fill the pattern and start to go through these drawdowns, as these patterns have to stop with their momentum and turn and go a completely different direction, as all that's taking place, the trader is going to enter and then go into the negative. Depending on the position size, or depending on how good the trader is with trade management, and this actually goes more into trade psychology, something can happen here to him psychologically, causing him to close the trade on an actual winner. Okay, so that takes me to the next part that I want to talk about, and you might have heard me talking about this recently, and that's dealing with entries. And many of you know that I've kind of tweaked and fine-tuned entry for harmonic patterns and advanced patterns, where I won't take them in most new cases unless they begin with a 3-bar reversal. So let me break that down to you. I'm no longer concerned that the pattern filled. I'm not entering off the fill of the pattern. I'm not entering next bar market, meaning let it close and then go next bar. And I do have that in my teachings. It is a viable form of entry. But what about a higher level, more having more probability on the entry, like the 3-bar reversal? So pattern filling, right? Novice traders not understanding what I'm about to discuss here, enter the trade, go through a drawdown and lose, right? Another reason is not really knowing where to put the stop loss, okay? Right? Maybe they'll put it there, which is going to be too tight because they've been told, okay, just put it at X or below X. Really doesn't matter in this case. I'm going to show you why. Let's say the trader put the stop below X. It really doesn't matter because that's not where the trader is entering at. I'll show how. Okay. Pattern fills with a bearish engulfing candle, okay? 3-bar reversal for entry, followed by a beautiful, almost perfect doji, okay? You still can't go, okay? Followed by only when you get confirmation in the form of a break and close on the trigger bar above your doji, okay? So you have to have 3-bar. Okay, I have to have 3-bar, meaning I would have passed this successful bat pattern up unless I had this. So I'm combining the two. The advanced bat pattern does have a very high success rate. I can't say exactly what it is. I have some for some others, but not bat. Let's call it 50, okay? What we're doing here is combining something that has about a 50% success rate, even if we want to call it 40. Okay, we know that's not true. Okay, because the D-leg completion, that's an 886 retracement of X to A. You're too extreme. You're going to be oversold at that point, and typically you're going to get a reaction one way or the other. I just wanted to add that. But when you get this here, you're taking something, whatever measurement, whatever you want to give, probability, you want to give the bat pattern. Like I said, we can give it 40, we can give it 50. We're coming back around and we're combining that with the 3-bar reversal, which is 70 plus, maybe 80 plus. When you get the 3-bar reversal, when you get, in this case for bullish, bearish engulfing candle, followed by doji, followed by trigger and entry, you're going to get your reaction, I like to say, more than 80% of the time. Okay, so just to go back and break this down again, even on a successful winner like this, a trader, let's just keep it honest, who just really doesn't know how to trade the market, and is just going all off of what he thinks he should be doing, can actually lose on this if his position sizing isn't correctly. If he's over leveraging, he might get a margin call just for pushing down here, maybe having his stops too tight. There's a lot more that goes into it. Now, let me bring it home by saying this here. Okay, so target off the A to the D, or the completion 618, okay, because we aren't even that concerned with the bat pattern anymore. We're concerned with the 3-bar reversal, and your targets off the 3-bar reversal are a Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low, which is the low wick here at the bottom of the doji. And you see it came up and hit the 618, and then this bad boy is over. You're going to get a reaction after that, and he's going the other way. Okay, now what the trade would have looked like is grabbing the long short tool. You know that you're entering at your trigger bar, your entry candle, meaning it has to close beyond your doji. If you don't get that, you don't go. If you want to know more about that, go back to the multiple videos that we have in the Harmonic Trading Academy on the 3-bar reversal. But once again, grabbing the long short tool, putting it at our entry, because you're going to plot this as soon. You don't care about this. You don't care about this being filled. Oh my God, because I remember when I first learned harmonic patterns, and I would be so happy that a pattern filled. I would do silly things like I already had a limit order set there. It's the dumbest thing that you can do. Okay, now shout out to my mentors who taught me limit orders, but it's the dumbest thing you can do, because on a limit order, you don't have confirmation. The only confirmation that you have when you set a limit order is price has visited your price action has visited your entry. Okay, but you got no confirmation. But in this way, knowing that you waited for the 3-bar reversal pattern before entry, and you know that you're targeting the 618, because that's the first thing you're going to do. You're going to say it's go time. You're going to go grab your long short tool. You're going to plot it so you can see. You're going to draw your 618 retracement, because you need to know where your target is. You need to go ahead and put your stop right below the low of, in this case, it's going to be the doji here. Of course, there was no pressure in there because you're entering up here. So you've given yourself this whole entire buffer right here as your basically your stop zone. Okay, you've given yourself enough breathing room to make the pattern more efficient. Okay, and then you're going to target up here to the 618. You want to manage the trade halfway there. Go ahead and put the 382 on there. Not recommended for 3-bar reversal for me, because, well, in this case, this is a good one. So this is a more than a 2-to-1. So entering right here, 382 is halfway there. This is a good one. Some of these 3-bar reversals, you don't get a chance to do 382, because depending on how far it pushes up, you're already at the 382 or 38% on the way up. But this one, you can take half of your position right here at the 382, or we would say TP1 right there. Didn't mean to confuse you guys by suggesting that you should not break these up, because I've got some videos coming to talk about multiple targets, TP1, TP2, and TP3. So don't get it confused. But sometimes on these, you're not even able to do that. Sometimes you're just able to go straight into 618 is my target. As you see here, a person didn't even need to take half their position at the 382. Would have been good? Yes. You get to target 2, you're out of there. So back to the premise of the video. Even, this is really about the other part of the psychology, where you hear people saying, let your winners win and your losers lose. It's a little bit more to it than that. It's more on the psychological and the patient side, because a trader that would have wanted this bat pattern, when it filled there, they actually, all it means, we're on a 5-minute chart. All it means is they just needed another 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. They needed 2 more candles. And with having a little bit of patience, they would have, it changes the whole entire dynamic of what happened, versus coming in here and thinking that you're in a drawdown when you could have never been in a drawdown in the first place. You're entering at the point where you're entering, the trade is not even, price action is not even oversold anymore. But a trader who's so worried about entering when it's oversold is actually entering too early. You probably didn't even know that you could enter too early, but I just showed you, you can be entering too early right here. Yes, too early. Yes, you're getting a better price for a survivor, but entering as soon as the trade fills, you don't know how you're going to respond while you're waiting for that thing to turn in your favor. So I had a lot packed into this. I don't know. really what I really wanted to focus it on, like using the 3-bar reversal when trading your advanced patterns, which we've already discussed that. But we're going to turn this into a series where we kind of just like use a lot of this training to start smoothing some of the stuff out, so that traders who are learning from me at least, and they're wondering what's happening with their advanced patterns, maybe we can tighten and tune that stuff up so you can get these down to where the point to where you know that some of them you actually do have to pass up if the trade is really not there. Just because an advanced pattern or harmonic pattern fails doesn't mean the trade is there. So that's all I got for you guys on this one. Like the video, give it a thumbs up so other people can be notified that this is a good video out here. Share the video if you know someone that this could help. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. And last but not least, head on over to the Harmonic Trading Academy playlist, where we teach this pattern, the advanced bat pattern, in great detail, along with classes on the 3-bar reversal, along with classes on targeting, along with classes on combined technical scoring, along with classes on RSI, that and much more, you name it, at the Harmonic Trading Academy playlist, the best trading academy on YouTube. Go see for yourself. That being said, you guys take care of yourself, be safe in the market, and I will see you on the next video.